If I told you moms were earning $500 to $1,000 per sale without creating a product, running ads, or working all day, you'd probably assume it's hype. And that's exactly why this video matters. So today I want to walk you through a real case study of how everyday moms and dads are earning meaningful income using high-ticket affiliate marketing and publishing children's books to Amazon without doing any of the things most people think are required. Let's be honest, a lot of us have tried low-ticket affiliate links, side hustles that pay $5 to $20 at a time, or businesses that require months of setup before seeing a dollar. And the result is burnout, frustration, and a lot of $0 days. So when someone hears $500 to $1,000 per sale, your guard goes up, and it should. So let me explain what's actually happening here. High-ticket affiliate marketing is not about selling more things. It's about promoting one proven system that already has the product, the training, the funnel, and the support team. You don't create anything. You don't handle customers. You don't take phone calls. You don't have clients. Your job is simple. You get the right person in front of the right system. And when that happens, you earn a commission that actually makes sense for a busy parent. Not $5, but $500. Here's what this looks like in real life for moms and dads inside these two models. These are not influencers. They're not working 12-hour days. And most of them started with zero experience online. The first example that really stood out to me was a stay-at-home mom who had never built a business before. She wasn't tech savvy. She didn't have a big following. She just started sharing simple content about what she was learning and how the system worked for her. Over time, as she focused on consistency instead of perfection, she began earning consistent high-ticket commissions, eventually reaching around $10,000 per month. And the most important part of it for me is that she didn't change her lifestyle to make it happen. She built it around being home with her kids in small pockets of time with simple content and leveraging the structure that already existed. The second model that I'm talking about is publishing children's books on Amazon. And there's another example inside this space where a dad began publishing children's books with his young son, turning it into a family project. Instead of chasing trends, they just focused on consistency and having fun, and over time built a catalog of books that created significant monthly income, around $40,000 per month. And what I've noticed across multiple testimonials inside these two communities is a pattern. Parents who keep things simple, stay consistent, and follow a proven framework often scale faster than people trying to invent everything themselves. Some families have built large portfolios, dozens of books, or long-term affiliate content, and report strong results over time. And I say over time because I'm being very honest here. That's what I'm about. Results always vary. This is not overnight success. But the takeaway from these case studies isn't hype, it's structure. It's doable for parents, and it's real, meaningful income. It's not a $5 sale here and a $10 sale there. It's $500 a day. It's $10,000 a month. So here's why these models work so well for parents. Number one, you don't need volume. You don't need thousands of views or followers or to send millions of emails or make a bunch of phone calls all the time. One right person matters more than 100 random ones. And number two, you're not starting from scratch. The system already exists. You're not building, you're just plugging into it. And number three, it fits real life. This can be done during nap time, after bedtime, or in small pockets of time, not full work days. And that's the difference between starting something and wanting to give up and making it actually work for you. Most parents are chasing cheap products, small commissions, and easy money. But small commissions require massive effort. High ticket income requires clarity, better positioning, and better systems. That's it. That's why moms and dads stuck in $0 days don't need to work harder. They just need the right system. So who this is for and who it's not for, let me be clear. This is not for people who want overnight money or who don't want to learn anything or who need every single thing done for them. But if you're a parent who wants real income, values time with your kids, and is done chasing every new side hustle, these models make sense. I'm actually doing this right now while my baby sleeps. Small pockets of time. That's him on the monitor right there. So if this video opened your eyes, subscribe to this channel, click one of the links in the description below and check it out. Because here on Raising Freedom, I break down what actually works for parents, why most systems fail, and how to build income without sacrificing your family. This isn't hype. This is raising freedom. We're raising our freedom and we're raising kids with freedom. If you want to check it out, again, the links are in the description. Use the first link for the high ticket affiliate marketing course for the discount and the second account, free second account. Or the second link, which is for the Amazon children's book publishing formula to get my discount. And thanks for watching Raising Freedom. Drop me a comment. I always reply personally. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with another parent who needs to hear this.